Alright, Kelsey, where are we?
We're in Philly, on the Rocky Steps.
Where are we?
We're in Sugarbush, Vermont. It's freezing and foggy and windy.
Where are we?
We're in Dublin.
Where are we?
Hi.
Where are we?
We're in the National Garden in Tokyo. Hi.
Hey.
Where are we?
One of the Imperial Guards. We're not quite sure where, but a little lost. We're trying to make our way to the Palace Temple. Palace.
Is the Asian version of a boardwalk.
We're on the bullet train. Alright,
Hi. Where are we?
we're in Kyoto. It's our last day in Japan.
Okay, many beds. Where are we?
Fishing.
Yeah.
Just landed.
Where are we?
We're in Tiananmen Square. I can't say it right. Tiananmen.
About to enter into the Forbidden City.
Where are we?
We are in Tiananmen Square with no one else because it's 104. What you got there?
Dairy Queen blizzard because it's 102 degrees outside on the mall. Where are we?
Called the Jingtang Hill.
We're on the Great Wall of
That's
China.
where the last
Not yet.
emperor
Well, we're going there.
committed.
Where are we?
We're in Kennebunkport, Maine. Where are we? Come on, guys.
Acadia.
We're in Pine.
Hey,
Where are we, Kels?
We are at the top of a mountain in Acadia. At the top of Cadillac Mountain. Hi,
Where are we?
Portland, Maine. On our way home. Hi.
Where are we?
Just a little house hunting here in Newport. Where are we?
In Paris. There's a trash truck. Where are we?
In Paris, at the Eiffel Tower. It's Notre Dame.
Where are we?
Madrid. In the subway with no one else. There's some interesting hair going on here.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My glamour shop. Where are we?
We are in the Plaza Mayor.
In Madrid. Loving the colors and
Yep.
the weather.
Hey, Kelsey. Where are we?
We're in Hilton Head. My favorite place on earth.